Hey guys, today I will show you the easiest way to clean the inside of your windshield. There are many reasons why your car's windshield gets dirty. Over time, it accumulates grease and grime, fingerprints, dirt from pet noses, smog, smoke, and other environmental contaminants. But one of the main reasons is car off-gassing, which is basically the plastic and vinyl interior components that break down and release gases that get trapped in the car, leaving an oily residue on the windshield. With the tips and tricks in this video, you will get a streak-free, crystal clear finish in just 2 minutes. You can also use this method to clean the outside of the windshield. Let's get started. The inside of the windshield can be hard to clean as it has weird angles and the steering wheel gets in your way. It feels like you need to be a contortionist to get the job done right. Also, regular glass cleaners might not be enough to cut through that oily film. Luckily, I have a few simple tools and products that will make your life easier. By the way, to make it simple for you guys, I'll leave links to all the tools and products in the description under the video. First, put some microfiber towels on the dash so you don't get liquid splatter on the surface. In a bucket, pour about half a gallon of warm water. Warm water is best for helping to dissolve the grime. Next, we need some dishwashing liquid. I find that Dawn is the one that works the best. Put a few squirts in the bucket and mix the solution with your hand. And there you go. We have our simple homemade glass cleaner. Next, Stoner makes the Reach and Clean tool, perfect for cleaning the windshield as it has a wedge-shaped pivoting head onto which is attached a microfiber bonnet. You will remove the bonnet and dunk it in the soapy water. Semi-wring it out and put it back on the head of the tool. Start cleaning the glass. This will be effortless as the tool easily glides on the glass and adjusts to the contours of the windshield, allowing you to get into the corners. Work up and down and left to right. For best results, a quick pro tip is to always work in a garage or in the shade. This way, the soapy water won't evaporate too quickly and won't leave water spots behind. For the final step, we will use this Amazon Basics squeegee. It has a nice comfortable padded handle and a silicone tip that can be removed and replaced. It does not have any metal parts, so it won't scratch the glass. Starting from the top of the windshield, go from side to side and squeegee the glass to remove the soapy water. After each pass, wipe the blade with a microfiber waffle weave glass towel. When you're done, use the towel to wipe any water or remaining residue. If you still see some stubborn streaks or grime, the next pro tip is to use a magic eraser. This acts as a mild abrasive and cuts through grease and grime. Just dunk it in the soapy water and clean the glass. You can do all of these steps on the exterior part of the windshield too. Use the Reach and Clean tool with soapy water, clean from top to bottom and left to right movements. Then use the squeegee to pick up the liquid. Wipe off any remaining residue. Look at the final results. A gorgeous, streak-free, crystal clear windshield. This only takes 2 minutes, and it will allow you to have a perfectly clean glass, which will increase your visibility and security when driving, as it will give you a clearer view of the road. It will also help your defroster to work more efficiently, as it will quickly clear off condensation or fog that usually stick more easily to a dirty windshield surface. For more car detailing tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.